So hi everybody. Today we're gonna be doing week's 8 interactive concept, and what we're doing today is um, uh, making instantaneous ice. Um, so basically, I'm gonna show you uh, how the experiment went, and I'll explain what happened. So I'm gonna show you first. What we did. So the the water bottle there had liquid water, right? And with a little hit, the water turned into ice. So basically, what happened? What we did was we put the water bottles in the freezer for 2 hours and 45 minutes. Um, so at that time, the water is cooled down to below freezing temperature, but it hasn't started to freeze yet. And then when the water freezes, it forms ice crystals, and the crystals um, build on top on other crystals. So once one crystal forms, then it's easier for the ice to to build on, and basically it starts the process. And basically, the process of starting the ice is called nucleation. So, when the water bottle was below freezing, but it was still liquid, it hasn't started the process of nucleation. And when I hit it, then the nucleation process starts. So, here we have the water that's already below freezing temperature, and once we start pouring it in the on top of some more ice, then the the water starts freezing immediately because first of all it's already below freezing temperature, and then the ice crystals start to form immediately um, because it's forming on top of other ice. So that's kind of what happens there. And I guess it's probably the same thing that happens here. Um, the water is that is poured down on the glass is below freezing temperature, so it's basically super cool, um, and it's basically ready to start the nucleation process, which is gonna be kind of like catalyzed by the little piece of water, I mean of ice that I'm gonna throw into it. So once the ice touches the water, it immediately starts freezing. And this is basically the same concept, that just that instead of throwing the little ice piece of ice into the water, just just hold it into on the surface, and the water starts freezing. It starts ice crystals start building up from from that point on. From where that little piece of ice is, and uh, and that's it. That's my experiment. It was cool that I was able to perform all the experiments. At first they didn't work, all of them, and so I had to try them a few times. I guess the trick is to get the water bottles out of the freezer and immediately do the experiment before they before they start heating up a little, yes, they start heating up. So thank you. That was it, and well, this is it for chemistry 1. I guess I'll be seeing you in chemistry 2. Thank you.